Hi students, in my previous video, I introduced a mathematics channel for 11th and 12th standard students, those who are studying in state board stream. My channel name is Easy Maths by AS. Easy Maths by AS. AS is my name, A. Saravanan. I am a retired government higher secondary school headmaster from Villupuram district. I served as maths PE teacher for 25 years and as higher secondary headmaster for 7 years. Due to this pandemic, you are all abstaining your regular classrooms for the first 1.5 years. My aim is to bring this subject to you in a classroom atmosphere. At first, I am uploading the videos for 12th standard. I hope my videos will support you for your better understanding. So if you like my videos, you share my videos and subscribe my channel. Now let us go to the subject. In your 12th standard maths, you have 12 topics, out of which now I am going to introduce the second topic, complex numbers. Second topic, complex numbers. This topic is in CBSE syllabus also, but it is in 11th standard. Now, what do you mean by a complex number? A complex number is a mixture of two real numbers. It always occurs in pair. For example, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, minus 3, minus 1, and 2, minus 1. Like that. A, B, and X, Y also. Generally. Like that, complex numbers are represented in ordered pairs. And they expressed as this 2, 3 is expressed by 2 plus I3, and this is minus 1 plus I4, and minus 3, minus 1 is expressed as minus 3 minus I, and this is 2 minus I, and A, B is A plus IB, and this is X plus IY. Like that, these ordered pairs represented by a complex form. So, this X plus IY is a general form of the complex number. It is always denoted by a letter Z. Z is a complex number represented by X plus IY. This is a general form of a complex number, X plus IY. X is the real part of the complex number, and Y is the imaginary part of the complex number. Imaginary part of the complex number. Where X and Y are real numbers separately, by a mixture X plus IY, it represents a complex number Z. And what is I? I is square root of minus 1. I is an imaginary number and its value is square root of minus 1. Since this I is in multiplied with Y, it is an imaginary part of the complex number and X is the real part of the complex number, is that I value is square root of minus 1. Now we will see how this I is square root of minus 1, how it comes, how we derive, we will see now. Okay, I hope this is the definition. I hope you understand this is the definition of complex number. And Z, X plus IY is a general form of the complex number. And now we are going to see how to get this I is square root of minus 1. We will see. Okay? For that, I am going to consider two equations. One is y equal to x square minus 1. It is a quadratic equation. Y equal to x square minus 1. This is equation number 1. To solve this equation, we consider x square minus 1 equal to 0 and x square equal to 1. If you bring that 1 to that side. X square equal to 1 implies x is plus or minus root of 1, that is 1. So x values are 1 comma minus 1. These are the two real values for the equation x square minus y equal to x square minus 1. This is the solution for this equation. Real solutions, I mean. And it represented graphically, we see by graphical representation we can express the equation y equal to x square minus 1. Since it is a quadratic equation, it always represents a parabolic curve. That you have studied in your 10th standard also in graph topic. And you derive and you draw the graph also for a quadratic equation in 10th standard. Like we will see how that the graph of this equation is. To draw the graph, we have to plot the x and y values for this equation. If x equal to 1 or minus 1 first, x equal to minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, y equal to 0. If x equal to 0, y equal to only minus 1. And if x equal to 1, on squaring it gives 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, again y is 0. So, these points 1 comma minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma minus 0 comma minus 1. If x is minus 1, x square, 1 comma 0. It is 1, x is 1, y is 0. Like that, we are going to plot the points in a graph. That is, this is y-axis and this is x-axis. X-axis is always called real axis and y-axis is an imaginary axis. And you know this is the horizon. By plotting the points on x-axis, real point 1 comma 1, 2. Similarly, this is minus 1, minus 2 on y-axis, 1, 2, on negative side, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. To plot the points in the graph, minus x is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is 0. And x is 0, y is minus 1. X is 0, y is minus 1. So this is the point. This is minus 1 comma 0. At this point is 0 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 0 is this point. This point is 1 comma 0. If you connect these points as a line graph, you will get the graph for this curve. This is the curve for y equal to x square minus graph. This is the graph for the curve, equation y equal to x square minus 1. This graph cuts the real axis at 2 points, minus 1 comma 1. Hence, the two values of x are 1 comma minus 1, which are real roots. Like that. Now we consider the second equation by name, y equal to x square plus 1. It's also a quadratic equation. To solve this equation, you consider x square plus 1 equal to 0 and x square equal to minus 1. We see square of number cannot be negative number, but we are getting a square of a number is a negative number, which is impossible. Hence, this equation has no real root. Therefore, this is x is plus or minus root of minus 1 negative number of a square root is also impossible. Hence, it is defined by I, root of minus 1. I is root of minus 1. Minus root of minus 1 is minus I. And another one is minus I. This is minus root of minus 1. So plus or minus root of minus 1 are two values, I comma minus I. Now, for this y equal to x square plus 1, we are going to draw a graph. For that, and we consider the two values. Shall I erase this graph? For this equation, or otherwise I can draw the graph here. The values are, if x equal to minus 1, what is y? Minus 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, if x equal to 0, y is 1. If x equal to 1 plus 1, again 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So, minus 1 comma 2, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2 are the 3 points for this equation. Y equal to x square plus 1, we are going to draw a graph. See, I erase here. I am going to draw the graph for that equation, second equation. This is also your x-axis. This is your imaginary axis. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. This is 1, 2. And this is minus 1, minus 2 on the imaginary axis, y-axis. That is plus 1, plus 2. 2. 1 minus 1 comma 2, x is minus 1, y is 2 here. And x is 0, y is 1 here. X is 1, y is 2 here. So if you draw a graph of this, if you correct these 3 points, you will get a graph one comma 2. Yes. So this is minus 1 comma 2. This point is minus 1 comma 2. And this is 0 comma 1. This point is 0 comma 1. And this is 1 comma 2. On connecting these 3 points, you will get the graph of the equation y equal to x square plus 1. So, from this graph, we can see this curve does not cut the x-axis. If it cuts the x-axis, you will get the real values. If it passes through only the imaginary axis. Hence, this second equation has not real roots. So it has only imaginary roots. Those are I comma minus I. From this we derived I equal to square root of minus 1. Like that we derived the value of I equal to root of minus 1. And this I is we represented in our complex numbers x plus iy. Yeah, that is a complex number. We expressed already x plus iy. This I is the square root of minus 1. And from this we will continue from this idea how to find the powers of I in the next video. Thank you.